Today I'm going to explain lean management in a very simple way. Lean is not about cutting people or working faster. Lean is about removing work that should not exist. If an activity does not add value to the customer, Lean says it's waste. First of all, what is lean management? Lean management is a management philosophy that focuses on eliminating any activity in a process that does not add value to the customer. Lean asks one critical question: will the customer be willing to pay for this activity? If the answer is yes, it adds value. If the answer is no, Lean considers it waste. Lean keeps customer value constant while reducing unnecessary work. So, what does value mean? Value is defined only by the customer, not by management, not by employees. Customers care about speed, quality, reliability, price. Customers do not care about internal approvals, extra paperwork, rework, waiting time. So, Lean removes everything customers do not value. So, what is waste in Lean? In Lean, waste is anything that consumes time, money, or effort without improving the product or service. Common types of waste include waiting, excess inventory, rework and defects, extra movement, overprocessing, unnecessary approvals, duplicate data entry, even if a process feels normal if the customer wouldn't pay for it. Lean treats it as waste. Lean is not only for manufacturing. Lean began in manufacturing, but today it is widely used in accounting, healthcare, banking, government, non-for-profit organizations. One of the examples, a non-for-profit organization may use Lean to reduce paperwork, combine roles, and speed up service delivery. Lean improves efficiency, consistency, and customer satisfaction across all industries. Core Lean principle. This is Lean strongly focuses on smooth process flow. A good Lean process has minimal waiting, moves continuously, uses resources evenly. Poor flow causes delays, backlogs, and frustration. Lean redesigns processes so work moves smoothly from start to finish. Lean uses simple, practical tools. Value stream mapping visualizes the entire process and highlights waste. And the 5S organizes and standardizes the workplace to reduce errors. Lean and Six Sigma are often combined, but they solve different problems. Lean asks, is this activity necessary? Six Sigma asks, why does this process produce defects? Lean removes waste. Six Sigma reduces variations. Together, they create efficient and high-quality processes. In summary, lean management is about doing less wasteful work, not less work overall. If the customer is not willing to pay for it, Lean says it should be eliminated. Lean helps organizations deliver value faster, better, and at a lower cost. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more content like this.